Welcome back. It's still not a very pleasant morning for an equity bull. The Sensex and the Nifty 0.5% down, and the Nifty Bank exactly double that, down 1%. Some of the negativity is coming from the global commodity markets as well, especially for products like steel. So we have our commodities editor with us. Manisha, what's the one commodity you're watching?
Well, the base metal prices are trading in the negative, but the precious metals have seen some buying, and that is because what we are hearing on the initial US and China trade deal is actually surprising us on the lower side. As we've been talking, the markets have been expecting way too much on this. But I do want to talk about a policy point here, and this is about the hallmarking in gold, where the notification is expected to come in today. It is going to be a mandatory hallmarking, is what the Minister Paswan has said yesterday, and that the notification would be released today. Important is that you are going to get 1 year for making this hallmarking mandatory. It is going to be for the gold purity of 14, 18 and 22 carats to begin with. So if the jewelers are holding jewelry which is not within these caratages, they will have 1 year to actually convert it all. As of now, we understand that nearly 29,000 jewelers are registered with BIS, that is the Hallmarking Institute, but the jewelers number is way higher. Markets anticipate it to be anywhere between 1.5 million. So there's a huge number that still has to go on for that. A lot of positives that you could see coming for hallmarking. One, you will have a level playing field amongst all jewelry houses here, and the consumers will be ensured about the gold purity, about the caratage, and there will be more transparency and credibility in the business to begin with. This will also, as I said, low caratage is something that you will completely see going out. The concerns clearly have been about the assaying and the hallmarking centers. As of now, we understand that 892 is the total number of centers that India has, and it does not cover all the districts. Out of the 600 districts that are in India, only 234 have assaying and hallmarking centers. So the 1 year that we have in sense of making it mandatory is also expected to cover those numbers and have the infrastructure across country. There are punishments as well. There could be a 1 year prison term. Offenders will be punished with either of these, or they will be punished with 1 lakh rupees penalty, or when you sell an item which is not hallmarked, you could be charged nearly 5 times more than that. So this is a notification that comes in today. The industry will get 1 year to ensure that after 1 year, on 15th of Jan 2021, no piece or no jewelry that would be sold can be not hallmarked. So that is something that industry is getting as a very huge positive here. In the meanwhile, it's a buy call coming in for the gold prices. We have seen some gains already, 0.5% up on gold, 39,900 or the highest side is what you can see. It also is a buy call coming in for natural gas with targets of 162 for the day today.
All right, Manisha, thanks a lot for that. We wind up with Bazaar on that note.